The process of following catharsis may appear bit tedious or rigorous to you, but effectively it is very simple process, very much part of your life if you think through. Like the first step is establishing clear analog boundaries. The fact is, to be more giving, first you have to be full yourself. You have to give time for your self care, for your knowledge enrichment, your own learning, and that is when you are able to give. And that can happen better when you are away from the digital medium, preparing and getting ready so that you can give away. The second aspect is evoking your sensory. When we say evoking your sensory, it is about giving attention to your ability to see, your ability to listen, your ability to feel the touch, taste, and fragrance. These are all human qualities. No matter what, no digital aspect can have this. This is only the aspect that make us complete human. So evoking and up uplifting them. And the very simple technique is observing five things in your surrounding, touching four things, hearing to three things, tasting two things, and taking smell of something. A very minute practice where you can conduct as on your lunch or dining table, sitting around with your people, holding their hands, indulging in prayer, and then looking into the food plate. It's warm or hot or not cold. They are served. You are being served with cold cuts, or what is the flavor? Like chapati has different flavor, rice has different flavor. Both have different fragrance, but all together, when as in a morsel you taste it, you realize the taste is entirely different. But very minute small things in our daily life routine only, but we do hardly pay attention to them, but they help us to censor and evoke our sensory. The next step is indulging in void writing. What is void writing? Void writing, when you prepare to present something, that is a script that you are following. The script maybe you have prepared in your mind, but void writing is writing whatever thought coming into your mind, and they can be of any emotion like sad, mad, glad, fear, whatever you are feeling vague. Write it out. Later on when you read it, it help you to assess yourself, that you are on you are in grandiosity, or you are like feeling more deprived of yourself. It help you to assess clearly to yourself and manage yourself. The another aspect is indulging in strategic de-escalation. It is important to set priorities and move away from everything that takes away your energy or emerge negative emotions, because one side you are practicing positive mindset building, and another side you are again and again get exposed to negative thoughts or negative environment, negative ambience, negative thought process. So it is very important to de-escalate and margin clear boundaries. And last is to establishing your relationship with the environment, your nature, because nature is the aspect. If we look into our ancient history also, like saint and sages always received great motivation and information from the nature. So getting close and to nature and spending time with nature is one of the very significant aspect of catharsis.